If you want to add or change keyboard language on the Xiaomi 15T and 15T Pro, then in that case, first of all, we're going to open settings. Over here in settings, scroll down to additional settings. Then we're going to go to languages and input. And then we're going to go to manage keyboards and Gboard, because this is the default keyboard that we use on this phone. Afterwards, we're gonna go to languages, and over here we can tap on add keyboard in order to, of course, add a new keyboard into our phone. So let's say I'm just gonna type French over here. And if your language is used in different regions, then of course we also can include a specific region. Besides that, we have the selection of the layout. We can also toggle multilingual typing, and we can press done once we are done with the selection. You can tap on this pen in the upper right corner in order to, for example, select languages that you don't want to use anymore, so you can remove them by tapping on this trash after selecting, or you can grab by these lines over here on the right side in order to change the order of these languages. Now, if you actually want to use multiple languages at once, and then if you want to switch between them, if you open the keyboard, then as you can see we have this globe icon, and you can tap on it in order to switch between added languages, and you can also press and hold your finger on the spacebar in order to open this window of languages. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.